Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, check that Python 3.8 or newer is active in your notebook environment. Open a terminal or use a Jupyter cell with Python version to confirm the version. If you use pip, run pip install Xgboost in the environment tied to Jupyter. If you prefer conda, run conda install c conda forge Xgboost for a compiled distribution. Add user to pip if you lack permissions on the machine. Finally, restart the Jupyter kernel to ensure the package loads correctly. Open a new notebook cell and type import Xgboost as xgb to load the library. Then run print Xgboost version to confirm the installed release and check compatibility. If import fails, verify the notebook kernel matches the Python environment where you installed Xgboost. Use kernel change kernel to select the correct environment in Jupyter. If needed, install ipykernel and run python m ipykernel install username myenv to register an environment. To enable GPU support, install a GPU-enabled Xgboost package or build from source. For pip installs, target a specific version such as pip install Xgboost == 1, 7, 6 for reproducible environments. Confirm your CUDA toolkit and cuDNN versions match the compiled Xgboost binary for GPU acceleration. If you encounter linker or import errors, check path and LD library, path for CUDA libraries on Linux or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.